Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dispenser screw in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing, causing the dispenser's cover to be loose. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So right in here, on our ice maker dispenser cover, you'll see that it's a little bit loose here because it's missing a screw. So grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So I'm going to be using a screwdriver with no insert attached. That makes it a 1/4-inch nut driver basically. The problem with a regular 1/4-inch nut driver, if you've got one of these, is that with the rounded end that comes out like that, it's a little bit too big, which I can show you right here. We can get it in part way, but we're not going to be able to tighten it up all the way because when it gets up to the hole that's in there, it's going to be too big to fit in there. So we're only able to get it partially tightened up. So right about there, stop, so you can still see this is a bit loose still. So you actually have to use this nut driver in order to tighten it all the way. Your repair is complete. So what did the wall outlet say to the refrigerator? You're grounded. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.